In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Taobao. If you placed something by mistake or changed your mind, canceling on Taobao is straightforward once you know where to tap. Start by opening the Taobao app and signing in to your account. From the home screen, go to the personal area, the tab labeled My Taobao. This is where all your account activity lives. Inside, choose All Orders to see a complete list of everything you've purchased or are in the process of buying. If your app is in Chinese, the labels are My Taobao and All Orders, and they're usually easy to spot at the bottom menu and within the Orders section. Next, locate the specific order you want to cancel. Scroll through your orders until you find it and make sure you're looking at the correct item, size, and shop to avoid canceling the wrong thing. When you open that order, look for the option that says Cancel Order. If the seller has not shipped yet, this button typically appears right on the order page. If you don't see it, you'll usually find an option called Refund or Return. That route is used when the order is already being processed or has moved further along. Don't worry, choosing Refund or Return at this stage still lets you request a cancellation before shipment. When prompted, select a reason for canceling. A simple explanation like ordered by mistake or changed mind is perfectly acceptable. Clear reasons help the seller process your request quickly. After selecting the reason, confirm your choice to submit the cancellation. Once confirmed, the order is canceled and your refund begins processing automatically. You'll receive updates in the app, and you can revisit all orders to check the status anytime. Depending on the payment method and seller response, refunds may take a short while to appear back in your balance or on your card. Keep an eye on notifications for any follow-up messages. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Work on a stable internet connection so buttons load correctly. Ensure you're logged into the right account, and take a quick screenshot of the order page if you want a record of the details while the cancellation is being processed. If your interface is in Chinese, you can temporarily use your phone's translation tool to confirm you're tapping the right options. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll cancel a Taobao order with confidence.